Okay, this is a recording test of the Masco sound reel-to-reel tape recorder for CassetteMaster. He requested to see this video. Going to use a Scotch brand position 1. That's normal position tape. Oh god, this one's really delaminated. Yeah, a lot of my tapes have bad delamination on them, but what are you gonna do? Getting old now. Okay, thread this through. There's something wrong with the amplifier in this that controls the recording and output volume. Because when you're playing a tape like music or something, you have to turn it up all the way, and even then, I mean, you have to wait 5 minutes and it'll start getting loud. So I'm thinking that's something to do with an amplifier that went, because it worked perfectly up until a few years ago. I should tell you this sat in an attic for almost 30 years, so that could be a problem. Okay, our neon pilot light is on. Means we're ready. This has a Masco sound reel microphone with it, but it stopped working a long time ago. So long ago that somebody bought this, like that. That's the replacement microphone someone bought. I think it's old as the hills. Okay, putting normal or recording playback. Oops, actually, gotta press this for record. I haven't done this in a while. Go to tape start. I'm going to do this at 7.5. Okay, this is the test of the Masco sound reel-to-reel tape recorder. Do 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 do. Okay, we're going. I've tried recording music on this before, but it really it's not worth it. Doesn't sound very nice. And the neon pilot light goes off when you're recording, so that's a odd feature. I'm gonna keep on talking until I see the delamination stop on the tape. That means the leader's running through, so it's not gonna be the best part of the tape. Do 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 do. Okay, looks like it stopped. So test 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 test. Stop the tape now. Get a little pop when you turn the record off. Pretty decent rewind for a long tape on an old machine. Okay. As you can see, there's barely anything on the tape. You can hear an echo in the background. Yeah, there's barely anything coming through. I think I blew the amplifier on this way back. God, I gotta blow that volume knob out with the spray duster. It's real dusty. And that is the record test. Sorry, it doesn't work all that well anymore. Used to, but not anymore.